Hey y'all, Colette here with Ignite Your Light. Thank you for joining. Just out here mountain biking out in Weaverville on some mountain bike trails. As you can tell, I'm pretty out of breath. So some of this stuff is definitely way more advanced for me. As a lot of you know, a little backstory, I'm from Florida and it's pretty flat. So the mountain bike trails out there are rather easy. These are definitely for a little more advanced than myself, although people from here would probably say they're rather easy or fun. I'm still a little nervous going down some of them pretty fast, and as I'm riding, I'm noticing my brakes don't seem to be working that great, so that's pretty scary. But man, is it. So I'm just gonna take some time, get a good workout. I can feel it in my legs already from mountain biking out here the last couple days. Just enjoy the beautiful scenery, the sunshine. And also on this video, I'm going to just continue a bunch of other little clips of, little adventures along the way that weren't enough to make one full video out of. So thank you all for joining. Can't wait to see you some more. Got lots of cool clips from the 4th of July party in downtown Weaverville, which, come to find out, was like one of the biggest areas for the California gold rush when it started. And so I have lots of cool information, lots of cool old tools, machinery that they used to use back then. So coming up next. Love y'all. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like.
So we have a place Gary worked at it when he was a kid, and my mom did. It's called Santa's Village, and it's now developed also into a bike park. And they have axe throwing.
Well, it is one.
And they have BB gun shooting, and they have climbing walls.
And where's this at? Ooh, good job.
I'm good. I don't know why. I do it so good.
Okay, you just.
Uh-oh. Cracker, stop. Cracker, stop.
No, it looks pretty decent. Oh, don't fall. I was like, let go. I didn't think he was going to let go. Sweet.
Chili!
Woo.
Yeah.
Perfect. There you go, Anna.